Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to destigmatize tonsil stones. Adam and I started posting tonsil stone videos on the internet over 5 years ago, and we've seen literally thousands of comments. Some of them are intelligent, well thought out, and poignant. Others are clever or funny. Others come across as ignorant and rude. Let's address the latter, because having tonsil stones is quite common, and frankly, it isn't all that problematic. Meanwhile, take a look at some of the year's biggest tonsil stone videos, like this. On a side note, never use your dirty fingers to remove stones. I recommend a lighted medical pick, and I'll put a link to my favorite below. So just how dangerous are tonsil stones? Well, based on what I've read, they aren't dangerous at all. Again, check with your medical provider for information about your tonsils, but I've yet to see any medical literature stating that tonsil stones alone are dangerous. They can cause bad breath due to a sulfur smell that they possess, but ultimately they have no real major side symptoms other than mild discomfort. So I've seen people comment that people with tonsil stones are dirty, that they have bad oral hygiene, and that they are generally unclean. But frankly, there's no evidence of that. In fact, tonsil stones may be a sign that your tonsils are functioning correctly. very little is actually known about the true function of the tonsils. The lesson is that tonsil stones aren't the worst medical condition. Adam and I have made it our mission to destigmatize many common medical and dermatological problems. So let's destigmatize tonsil stones. That way we can begin frank and productive discussions about the condition. So click like if you agree. And thank you again for subscribing. To our notification squad, thank you 10 times over. You're the reason we make videos. And we love your support, and thank you for accepting us. Now let's hear a special word from MMA featherweight champion Felicia Spencer. She has a follow-up on Gabby's incredible weight loss with Thynergy.
Congratulations, Gabby. 20 pounds is a huge accomplishment. I'm so glad that Thynergy is working out for you. It's so important to find something that works for you. You know, everybody is different, and when you find that thing, you know, just keep running with it. I hope that you keep reaching your goals and, you know, becoming more and more healthy. For me, you know, just finding new ways to keep it new and exciting is always what I'm looking for. You know, some new recipes or a new activity, that kind of thing always keeps it interesting. So anyway, again, great work. Keep it up.
So why not start today? I use Thynergy as a pre-workout. It helps boost my energy, so I'm ready to kick my workout into high gear. There's an Amazon link below. Pick it up with Amazon Prime today.